Soumya, I know things ended badly between us, but I have been doing a lot of thinking lately. I miss what we had, the connection we shared. I know I messed up, but I'm willing to do whatever it takes to make things right between us.
Jack, I appreciate your honesty, but it's not that simple. You hurt me deeply, and I don't know if I can trust you again.
I understand that, and I'm truly sorry for what I did. I was foolish and immature, but I have grown since then. I have realized how much you mean to me, and I'm willing to prove myself to you.
It's not just about proving yourself, Jack. It's about rebuilding trust. And to be honest, seeing you with someone else so soon after we broke up, it hurt.
I know, and I regret that more than anything. My relationship with her was a mistake, and I have ended it. You are the one I want to be with, Soumya. I'm willing to take whatever time you need to rebuild trust. I just hope you will give me that chance.
Jack, I appreciate your sincerity, but I need time to process all of this. I can't just jump back into a relationship with you, especially after everything that's happened.
I understand. But please, don't shut me out completely. I value your friendship, Soumya, even if it's all I can have for now. I promise to respect your boundaries and give you the space you need.
I don't know, Jack. It's hard for me to trust your intentions. I don't want to feel like I'm just a backup plan or someone you turn to when things go wrong.
I can't change the past, Soumya, but I can show you through my actions that I'm serious about us. Please, give me the chance to prove it to you.
Jack, do you remember the promises you made? That we would get married, live an ideal life, and have beautiful children like me. But you ended everything in just 1 minute. You broke up with me and broke my heart. Now that your new girlfriend has left you, you come back to me. When you get another new girlfriend, you will leave me again. That's why I don't trust you. You're selfish.
Soumya, I understand why you feel that way. I know I broke your heart and let you down. Those promises meant a lot to me too, and I know I shattered them. I was lost and made terrible choices. But I'm not here because my relationship ended. I'm here because I realized how much you mean to me. I have grown since then and truly want to make things right with you.
It's hard to believe that, Jack. Your actions have shown otherwise. How can I trust that you would not just leave me again when someone new comes along?
I understand your doubts, Soumya. I don't expect you to trust me right away. Trust takes time to rebuild. All I can do now is show you through my actions that I'm committed to making things right. I can't undo the past, but I can be better in the future.
But how do I know you are not just saying all of this because you are lonely? How do I know you would not hurt me again?
You have every right to be cautious. All I can say is that I have done a lot of reflecting and realized what I truly want in life. It's you, Soumya. I know words are not enough. I'm here to earn your trust back, step by step, however long it takes.
I appreciate that you are willing to put in the effort, but I'm still not sure if I can let you back into my life. The pain you caused runs deep.
I understand, Soumya. Take all the time you need to decide. I will be here, showing you that I'm serious and that I have changed. I would not pressure you or rush you. Your feelings and trust matter the most to me.
I guess we will see how things go. Actions speak louder than words, Jack. You'll have to prove yourself over time. First, tell me, why did your new girlfriend leave you, Jack?
She left because she realized my heart was not fully in the relationship. I tried to move on too quickly after we broke up, and it was not fair to her or to myself. I could not stop thinking about you, Soumya. I was trying to fill a void that only you could fill, and that was not right.
So, she left because you were not over me?
Yes, that's exactly it. I thought I could distract myself and move on, but it just made things worse. Being with her made me realize how much I still cared about you and how much I regretted ending things the way I did. I know it sounds like an excuse, but it's the truth.
It's hard for me to believe that you are serious this time, Jack. It feels like you are just coming back to me because you are lonely.
I understand why it feels that way. But I have taken this time to reflect on my actions and my feelings. I'm not just lonely, I'm clear about what I want. I want to make amends and rebuild what we had, but only if you're willing to let me.
I need to see that you mean what you say, Jack. Words are not enough anymore. How do you plan to show me that you have changed?
I plan to show you through consistency and honesty. I would not make any promises I can't keep, and I will be here for you as a friend first. I will respect your boundaries and give you the space you need. Actions speak louder than words, and I want to prove through my actions that I have changed and that I'm committed to earning your trust back.
It's going to take a lot for me to even consider letting you back into my life, Jack. I hope you understand that.
I do, Soumya. I really do. And I'm prepared to put in the effort and time it takes. I don't expect you to forgive me right away, but I hope that, with time, you will see that I'm serious about making things right between us.
We will see, Jack. I'm still very hurt, and it's going to take a lot for me to get past that. But I'm willing to take things slow and see where it goes.
Thank you, Soumya. I appreciate you giving me a chance, no matter how small. I will do my best to prove that I'm worth it.
Jack, you know you are telling me the same type of story you told all your other ex-girlfriends. I have heard it all before. Every time a girl asked you, "Why did your girlfriend leave you?" you gave them the same types of answer you are giving me now.
Soumya,
And now for the breaking news. I have married my childhood friend. He's very loving and caring. He's everything you promised to be, but were not.
Soumya, I did not know. I'm happy for you. Truly. I understand now that I lost my chance. I just want you to be happy, even if it is not with me.
Thank you, Jack. It took me a long time to move on from the pain you caused, but I'm in a good place now. I hope you find someone who makes you realize the value of being truthful and committed from the start.
I really am sorry for everything, Soumya. I hope your marriage brings you all the happiness you deserve. And I hope I can learn from this and be a better person in the future.
I hope so too, Jack. Take care of yourself and please try to be honest and true in your future relationships. Goodbye, Jack.
Goodbye, Soumya. I wish you all the best.